My name is Hannah, and I'm going to show you how to do a hairdo. Okay, you have to take one hair right here and put your hands on this Mickey Mouse. You put it on like this. My name is Hannah. I'm going to show you my hairdo. Okay, just put your finger. There's one here. This Mickey Mouse thing. No. Put on here. See? Now my other hairdo. My name is Hannah, and I'm going to show you a hairdo. You open this Mickey Mouse mouth, this, and put it on like this. See? That's my hairdo.